Hey guys, welcome back to Kids Do You Know This? And now I'm gonna talk about the sun because in my previous videos I have talked about all the planets, and if you wanna watch those videos, please subscribe to the Kids Do You Know This channel and press it and you can get it. Okay, so let's come back to sun. The sun is the star in the center of our solar system. It is a huge star. It is so big that you can fit around 1 million Earths inside of it. If you want to get a comparison, the sun is about 100 Earths wide and it is about 99.8% of the mass of the entire solar system. Just imagine how big the star should be. Okay. Now, we'll be talking about how bright it is. You know, every day in the morning, the sun is extremely bright, correct? And the light reaches on Earth at an average speed of 8 minutes and 20 seconds. And if you want to compare its mass, it's huge. If you want to compare it in numbers, it is about 2 octillion tons. Just imagine the amount of zeros in that number. I think it will be pretty hard for you even to imagine a hundredth of this incredibly huge number. So it's about 100 Earths wide, as I mentioned earlier. And if you want to compare it to our largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter, it is about 11 Jupiters wide. 11 Jupiters. Okay. If you want to make a trip around the sun with an airplane, it will take more than your entire vacation time, which is almost 2 months. It will take more than 2 months for you to make an entire circle around the star you can see here, which is the sun. Now, the sun was formed about 4.6 billion years ago when a solar nebula has crashed together, which made our sun. And then the gases from it has collided together with gravity to form the planets, as you can see today. Now, how big the diameter of the sun is, you think? Okay, you don't know? Okay, I'll tell you. It is about 863,700 miles, which is on 1.3 million kilometers. If you want to get the exact number, you can see it over here. Okay. You can fit the entire solar system in it more than 600 times. And the closest planet to it is Mercury, which is only about 36 million miles from the sun, even though it's extremely close. Earth has the perfect distance from the sun, which is about 93 million miles. Because of that, the heat is enough for life to be formed on our planet. Okay. And now, some other facts about sun you want to know? Okay, and do you know what gases is the sun made up of, even though it's a star? Well, it's made up of 2 gases. Hydrogen, which is 91.8%, and the remaining 8.9%, which is helium. Even the largest planets in our solar system, Jupiter and Saturn, is composed of the same gases, hydrogen and helium. So, each flare of the sun is much more than the Earth's diameter. Okay, it is so big. Even the smallest part, as you can see, like these type of dots here, is much bigger than Earth. And after 10 billion years, when it explodes, and the remaining mass will be compressed into a white dwarf, and because of that, the planets Mercury and Venus are gonna be swallowed by its huge size, because it's gonna grow 256 times more than its present diameter today. So, and there are chances that Earth it might neither get swallowed or might turn the entire Earth into a sea of lava. It will be a white dwarf and it will have half the mass of it still, even though it will be an extremely tiny star, like about the size of Earth. It will still have half the mass which it has today. And sun's core temperature is up to 15 million degrees Fahrenheit. I mean Celsius, which is about 27 million degrees Fahrenheit, which is extremely hot. Can you imagine 27 with 6 zeros and with Fahrenheit? Just imagine the temperature. And there are nuclear fusions, and sun, it produces much more energy than it gets. the atoms inside are crushed so much, which makes it this bright glow as we can see today. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to the Kids Do You Know This channel. Once again, I'm reminding you, and press the bell icon. Thank you.